Hey guys, welcome back to Forge Quest, the game that's very pixelated. And we left off last time in the dungeon. Oop, I'm not sure what I just pressed. What did I press? What happened? Oh, okay, it left me. Okay, this was forward. There we go. Okay, I have to get used to these controls again. Alright. There was nothing up here anymore. Let's see, is there a map? There's a map! Alright. It seems like I explored pretty much everything. Alright, so we're gonna go to the second part of this dungeon. We're in the Earth dungeon. Now we're in Earth dungeon level 2. Yes. Okay, and we can actually go back, apparently. Alright, it's been a few days again, so I actually have to get used to this again. I keep getting these things, I don't know what they're for. Money, that's always handy. Give me the money. I don't really want the hearts, because I'm not low on health right now. What we got? We got spiders. Die, spider. Why won't you die? Die, 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 die. Lockpicks. What? Am I gonna pick lock soon? Any more big spider? Yeah, there's a big spider. All right, come on. Come, follow me. Oh crap! The little spiders got out. All right, the little spiders are not following me yet. Now they're following me. You can't get to me. You can't get to me. I keep hitting them. Uh-oh. You're not... No. Die already. Alright. God damn, that's still not all of them. Oh well. There we go. I love this long distance attack. It's gonna be boring to watch, but it's the easiest way to get them. Alright. You're still not all dead? Come on, explode. Alright. There was one more. I saw one more. There it is. There, you're dead. Another key. More stuff. Stuff is always good. Okay, that flower is nothing. Oh, I hate these guys. I hate these guys so much. Ow! Stop hurting me. You know what? I'm just gonna come closer and do this. There. Ow, that was stupid. Can I block? I can jump backwards, dodge. What is hurting me? Oh god, those guys again. I really need a better weapon. Just leave me alone. Damn fish. Whoever knew mudfish were this dangerous? Alright, more stuff. There we go. Time to use a potion. There we go. Let's see. Any enemies around? Nope. Alright, let's play the minigame. Alright, this looks good. Alright, let's start with that one. There. There. That one. Ah, damn it. Alright, let's see here. Let's see here. We can do this. We can do this. That was all. Alright. Resource is depleted. You must construct additional pylons. Yeah, that was StarCraft. Oh god, he's bigger? Am I mistaken? He looks bigger. Holy crap, there's more of them. Die, you sons of... money. One more, one more, one more. There we go. Alright. Not sure what these things are used for. Maybe I can sell them, or I have to use them to get specialty things, or... Okay, this is a dead end. Alright, alright. Is there anything Oh, more of those damn spiders. Just leave me alone! There. What else is here? Oh, look at the little ones. All of you, follow me. Alright. Any more of you? Come on, follow me, all of you. Any more? No? Alright. Oh, you. And you. And you. Alright. God damn, there's a lot of these. Stop hurting me. Is that everything? Yeah, alright, let's keep going. I'm having a nice amount of money here. There's a fishy up there. Hello, little fishy. Meet my long distance attack. Oh, yeah, and I'll meet your long distance attack. Potion, 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 potions. Nothing there. Sure, there's a lot of those topaz deposits. And sapphire. Okay. They each have their own name, alright. Seems to be 4 colors, basically. Sapphire, topaz. I already did you. Ah! There we go. Alright. Fish, fish everywhere. I'm the single cause of fish depopulation. Imagine if you have to catch fish like this in real life. That fish would become so expensive. Because fish would be very dangerous to actually fish. Fish to fish. Alright. Hello, little plant. Spiny fern. Rune of Forge. Okay. Ah! Stupid fish again. You're in the way. Yay, a heart. Okay, I'm full health again. No, I don't want to go down yet. I have more to explore. Hello. More stuff to destroy. Money, 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 money. I feel so rich. Ah, stupid plant. You can't catch me. Ooh, more to destroy. Who places all these things here? I mean... Somebody just goes into a dungeon, places barrels, and puts money in them? Oh, I have more over there. Okay. Let's see... What the hell is this? Okay. Chest. I can put stuff in there. What's this? You have discovered a forge. Would you like to learn more? Learn. Alright, let's see. Forge. Haven't found a new piece of equipment in a while? Using a forge can make that old rusty blade as good as new by increasing its level. Step 1. Choose the item to improve. Step 2. Select one or more similar items and or corresponding gems, then choose combine when done. Step 3. Profit. Well, isn't that like a South Park joke right there? I kind of felt it coming. Well, not really, because the process costs you some gold. But you do get an improved item. Alright. If you start with a level 3 sword, the highest it will ever become is level 13. You won't be able to keep the same item around forever, but they should last you long enough until you find a suitable replacement. Alright, so let's see. I want to upgrade these. Alright. So how do I upgrade? Okay, I select stuff. Alright, alright. Oh, I can also select these. Alright. Let's level these up a little. I want it at least level 5. There we go. Combine? Cost me 800 gold, but okay. Go chicken, go! Go chicken, go! Yeah! You gave me a better item, chicken. Alright, let's see. Let's upgrade our shield. Let's use all the useless shields I have in here. So, let's use a few of those. 2 levels is good. Go chicken, go! Go chicken, go! Build that thing for me, chicken, go, go! Alright. Let's upgrade our armor. Wait. Back. Am I wearing the blue armor? 14 plus 4 armor. Plus 6. Okay, it's the same armor. Alright. I'm sorry. Let's continue. The chicken has to build it. Yeah, let's just get this a little higher there. Let's get the chicken to build us an armor set again. Go, chicken, go. Go, chicken, go. Alright. Let's do the leather hat. Alright. Wait, what's this? That looks better. 10 armor, 1 armor, mana regen. No, it's not really better. Alright. Let's do this. So that's what the gems were used for. Alright, chicken, make me this thing. Chicken. You can do it, chicken. Alright, I have green here, level 4. Yeah, let's level you up. I'm not gonna use the gems this time, I'm just gonna use this. Should get us to level... Alright, 5 is good enough. I still have gold left, so it's good. Go, chicken, go, chicken. There we go. Okay. Back. I have wait, let me get out of here. Let's see. The boots. I have rings. Okay. Leather boots. 5%, 10%. Ones I have are even better than the blue ones. What the hell is that about? Okay, those are better. Alright, so what else I got? Outfits, okay. What can I do with the gems? Oh! Critical chance? Sure, why not? Put it in the socket. Alright. What's this? Sockets. Nothing. Okay. This one has a socket. Nothing. Gold find, rage. Actually, gold find wouldn't be that bad. 16 is good. Can I equip only 1 ring? Yep. Alright. Equip. Now, socket it. Force. Greed. Oh yeah. More gold. And critical. I wonder, can I upgrade the gems? Haha! Alright, let's make... What? Oh crap, I don't have enough gold. Okay, can I still do something with the boots? Yeah, I can. Alright, boots I can still do... Can I still do that one? Yep. 1? No. Alright. Ah! Press clear. I'm such an idiot. Why am I such an idiot? Because I'm an idiot. Alright, that's all my gold. The chicken took all my gold. Alright. We got some upgrades. That should, let's see if that helps. What can I do in here? Alright, let's put all the stuff that we have left over. Oh. What can I do? Can't I do more at the same time? This... You know what? I'll just leave it in there for now. Alright, let's see what we got. What we got down here? Any more? Anything to kill? Okay, we got a little bit more gold again. I want something to kill, to try out. Oh, there's nothing here. Alright, let's go up again. So, yeah, this was the second level of the Earth Dungeon. It wasn't that hard. We found out what all the emeralds are for. We found out how to upgrade equipment. So that's pretty good. Where was that exit? Where were you? Oh, going completely the wrong direction here. Alright, oh wait, there's more here. Okay, that does a little bit more damage now. Instead of 1, it does like 2, 3, 4. That's not too bad. Alright, so I'm ending it here right now. This was the second level of the Earth Dungeon. I hope you enjoyed it. This game seems like a whole lot of fun. I really, really, really recommend you start playing this because it plays so well. And so far I've yet to find a glitch. There's some interface things I would like to change, but yeah, well, it's fine like this. So I hope you enjoyed this episode. I hope I'll see you next time. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you want to. And I'll see you next time, alright? Bye bye!